everybody, it's Grove, Mr. Make It Work Monday. We're here at Make It Work, special occasion, you know what I'm saying? We got the networking conference, real big thing. I've been talking about it for a year and some change now. This is part 2. We got some new sponsors, we got some new vendors, we got some new people on the panel, and I'm giving you that exclusive because ain't nobody else in it, and we made the event. All right, so first, I want to say thank you to all the viewers and all that good stuff. Y'all know I'm not really good on names and things like that. But the first company I want to introduce you to, if you've not been introduced to, you know, these are my D's, I guess you can say. We got my D's, you know what I'm saying? This is the College of Hip Hop.
What's going on? How y'all doing? I'm AJ. I'm Ashtray. collegeofhiphop.org.
All right, fellas. So, what is the College of Hip Hop?
Well, basically, the College of Hip Hop is business development for artists and future CEOs. We teach the music business because that's never gonna change, but that's what everybody is lacking. There's so many stories on Unsung and everything like that, but if they just learn the business, they don't have to be unsung.
I like that. All right, so what all do you guys do? I mean, you know, everybody says, you know, it's college.
Well, it's actually just called the College of Hip Hop, so as soon as you hear the name, you will automatically think education. But what we actually do is we provide blogs and online and visual seminars to teach things like copyright, publishing, networking, marketing, things of that nature, budgeting, because the hardest thing to teach the artists is the educational part. Everybody want to be famous. There's no fame in knowing business, but everybody who knows the business are the real rich people.
So what got you guys started? What made you guys want to start the College of Hip Hop?
You know what? We was actually coming from Columbus, Ohio. We from Michigan. We from Inkster, Michigan. It's about 20 minutes from Detroit. We was coming from Columbus, Ohio. We did a show, and we was like, man, it's something we can do more than music to like leave a legacy like after we've been gone for 50 years. What can we do? And like we kept the radio off the whole ride home, and we just networked and brainstormed, and then by the time we got home, that's what we came up with.
That's a beautiful thing. So what was the biggest challenge starting for you guys?
The actual biggest challenge is to actually get artists to want to learn the business. That's the biggest challenge because, like I said, it's no fame in knowing what we're teaching. So when artists come out, they just want everybody to see them, but we try to tell them like a hit record and a hit record that you own, it's a big difference between that. It's a big difference between that. So the biggest challenge right now is just getting people interested in wanting to learn. And we make the learning simple because it's an actual visual seminar. So even if you can't read, let's just say you can't read, you know what I'm saying? You can always watch it over and over and over again until you understand what's really going on.
Right on. So, seeing that this is Make It Work, when the chips are down, when everything's going bad, how do you gentlemen make it work?
Keep our faith in God. Pray. That's the only way to know how to make it work.
Cool. All right, last but not least, how can the people get in contact with you? How can they enroll? Because y'all need to enroll. All right, I enroll. I'll be watching my videos. I got to catch up on some stuff. So y'all need to enroll. But anyway, how can they enroll?
They can go to the collegeofhiphop.org or tcohh.org. It's a registration page. You can always find us on social media, Instagram at the College of Hip Hop. Underscores, of course, the underscore hip hop underscore, and just go to the site, man. I mean, Instagram cool, but you're not gonna learn nothing from Instagram. It's just like crazy pics of our life while we doing stuff. But you can go to the collegeofhiphop.org and you can enroll, register. We got free blogs that you can read that we update. So like you really getting a lot out of it. It ain't just like you're gonna be like, what did I learn? Like you guarantee unless you know a lot in the music business, you go learn something. And then sometimes we run across people who know a lot that we even teach them something. I mean, you know, you can learn from a baby. So just go to the collegeofhiphop.org, get the registration. And when you go to the collegeofhiphop.org, it's actually $19.96 to sign up for a whole year. And the year you get all access to the seminars, and you get access to us because if you're a student of the College of Hip Hop, then we'll talk to you and we'll answer some more questions that you might have that technically we're not gonna answer if you're not supporting us. We're not gonna support you. So you show us the support, we show you the support, and we'll plug you right into a network that'll help you, that'll open up things for you. But it all starts with the collegeofhiphop.org.